What's going on, guys? Samuel Bouret here with Adorama TV. And overpowering the sun isn't about the strongest strobe, it's about the right one. Let me show you when an 800 watt, a 600 watt, and a 400 watt strobe actually makes sense. Let's go shoot. Overpowering the sun means using flash that's strong enough to make your subject brighter than the sunlight so you can control how bright or dark the background looks. Today I'm shooting in South Beach, Miami. Midday sun, no mercy. This is the perfect situation to understand what flash power actually does in the real world. For this shoot, I'm using 3 lights: the Flashpoint Explore 800 Pro, the 600 Pro 2, and the 400 Pro 2, all paired with the same 36-inch softbox. Same modifier, same distance, same camera settings. I lock in my camera settings for the background first, then I use flash to light my subject, starting with the XPLOR 800 Pro. At full power, this gives maximum control. I can darken the sky, keep rich color in the background, and still get soft, clean light on my subject, even in harsh midday sun. This is what you use when the sun is at its strongest and you don't want to compromise. Now the 600 Pro 2, the look is still strong. I still have solid background control, good contrast, and flattering light on the subject, but in a lighter, more portable setup. For many photographers, this is the sweet spot. Now the 400 Pro 2. This is where things usually get misunderstood. This light isn't about overpowering everything. It's about knowing when it's enough. At full power, the background is a bit brighter, the transition is softer, and the light blends more naturally with the environment. This works great for tighter shots, travel, or shooting when the sun isn't as harsh. With the right distance, framing, and timing, you can get a clean, natural result. Overpowering the sun isn't about having the biggest light. It's about understanding how power, distance, and your camera settings work together. Once you understand that, any of these lights can get the job done, depending on how you shoot. All right, guys, I did end up shooting with the 800 watt because I had more control over the exposure. But as you saw in the demonstration, you can make it work with a 600 or a 400. It's all about how you apply it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll catch you next time.